Tired of being the only one handling documents in Docusign? Let's unlock teamwork by adding users to your Docusign account. First, log into your Docusign account as an administrator. You'll need admin privileges to add new users once you're in. Look for the Settings tab at the top of the page. It's usually located towards the right-hand side. Click on Settings. On the Settings page, locate the Users section. In the left-hand menu, it might be under a category like Account Administration or similar. Depending on your Docusign plan, click on Users to access the User Management area. Now, you'll see a list of current users. To add someone new, click the Add User button. This button is typically located near the top of the page, often on the right side. A form will appear where you'll enter the new user's information. Fill in their first name, last name, and most importantly, their email address. This email is crucial as it's where they'll receive their Docusign invitation. Next, select a permission profile for the user. This determines what they can do within Docusign. Options might include sender, signer, or administrator. Among others, choose the profile that best matches their role and responsibilities. You will see an option to send the invite email now to the user, and you can choose to add them to a specific group. Choose to add them to a group if they will work with other team members. This can help to manage permissions across multiple users. Once you've filled out all the required information and selected a permission profile, click the Add User or Save button at the bottom of the form. Docusign will now send an invitation email to the new user. They'll need to click the link in the email to activate their account and set a password, and that's it. You've successfully added a user to your Docusign account, enabling collaboration and streamlining your document workflows.